Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the newest rifle in the game. This is like you can see, this is the Grau 5.56. So how you can get it? By playing more. So what you need to do is click your banner, click your basic information of your profile, click this tire. So currently I'm just get the tires 27. So the grow itself is when you already, or when you get in the tire 21. So it means I already have it, like you can see before. So in this tire, the 21 tire, you can get this newest rifle, the Grau 5.56. So this is the layout. So this is a mid-range assault rifle with great mobility, so not too heavy. You can agile with this rifle, and the attachment itself when you gunsmithing is unique. So let's see let's see my attachment of this rifle. I will click my loadout, click the gunsmith, and currently I'm level 27 of this Grau. So the mobility itself is quite high as a assault rifle in here. The basic is 85. It's so mobile, it's very mobile for assault rifle. So the unique is the barrel attachment. There are until 1, 4, 4, 5. There are 5 attachment. So you can make it like SMG like this, or make like sniper like this. So thanks for today. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.